Our organization relies on multiple types of data and data sources to run our daily operations. We are a real estate company that buys and sells different types of real estate assets, specifically land, but we also buy single-family, commercial, industrial, and other types of assets, including apartments, retail spaces, office complexes, mixed-use properties, mobile homes, parks, etc. To do this, we rely on large data sets from various sources. We have list providers like Deal Machine or Land Vision, also known as Lightbox Vision, and we also use data that comes straight from the county. The data pulled is in a raw format and must be standardized before we can import it into our acquisition CRM for prospecting. The process of taking raw data to standardized, clean data that can be uploaded to the acquisition CRM goes through an extensive extract, transform, load, ETL process. The data gets scrubbed, deduplicated, cleaned, standardized, and goes through skip tracing to find contact information for property owners. This is specifically for property owner data, seller data. These are the people we contact to ask if they are interested in selling their properties. On the seller side, it's either individual owners or corporate owners that own property. Similarly, we collect large data sets from different sources for potential buyers who might be looking to buy these assets. That data is usually scraped from Google or other online search engines, or third-party sites that sell this type of data. This buyer data also has information about builders currently constructing homes. So in this list, we gather information for institutional buyers, individual buyers, and builders. This data also needs to go through its own ETL process before it can be entered into our sales CRM. We also have a third type of data, called market data, which comes from our multiple listing services platform, MLS. We have access to different MLS systems in different markets. The MLS provides a database of active and sold property listings for properties currently for sale. It also shows us which properties recently sold in which cities, zip codes, counties, neighborhoods, the different sizes, what price points they were listed at, and what price they sold at. When we download MLS data, we scrub, format, and upload it into our BI platform, Microsoft Power BI, to create dashboards. These dashboards show activity levels and analytics to help us prospect in the right areas and price our properties correctly. So, we are currently dealing with 3 different types of data: seller data, buyer data, market data. We need someone who can understand these different data sets, seller data, buyer data, and market data, and can pull, clean, and standardize data, skip trace data, and ensure all buyer information is unified, standardized, and ready for upload into our sales CRM. We also subscribe to data enrichment and verification services to obtain phone numbers and email addresses, and also to validate existing email addresses. Once we have standardized our data, before uploading to our CRMs, we run through these enrichment services, called skip tracing services. And when we receive email addresses back from skip tracing, we run it through an email address verifier service. This is done to see which email addresses are active, which are no longer in service, and which might not exist. We then refresh or update our existing data, so only the correct email addresses remain in our CRM. In summary, this is what we need the data manager to do. On a day-to-day basis, when we run prospecting campaigns, we might require the data manager to run specific data pulling requests. While you'll be working on standardizing, cleaning, and consolidating existing data, you might also need to pull data as needed, so our team can run campaigns, either text message campaigns, cold calling campaigns, or mailing campaigns specific to the list we need pulled. Once you understand the data set and the criteria, you should be able to apply those filters in our list source, pull the data, clean it, and provide it to our team so we can run our campaigns.